Overachieving your way to super affiliate stardom. Internet business is a bit confusing, especially if you're not really knowledgeable at it. You will also be left completely blank, asking yourself as to what type of online business is best for you. Why don't you try affiliate marketing business? Affiliate marketing is defined as a revenue-sharing relationship between advertisers or merchants and online publishers or affiliates. It is a low-cost way for merchants to sell their products and services. In this type of online business, you don't have to take any risk because you only have to pay the affiliate once the result is achieved. Once a customer is gained, a portion of the profit from that customer will be given to the affiliate as commission. Usually, an affiliate gets a commission for referring clicks, leads, or sales to the merchant's website. The said affiliate income can be a fixed dollar amount or a fixed percentage. From this simple commission-based referral system, some affiliates become experts on this field. In fact, some of them are gaining more than 5 figures every month. However, among the thousands of marketers, only 1 to 5% of them reach this level. And if you're among the lucky ones who achieve this so-called elite level, you can now be aptly called a super affiliate. This means you are capable of achieving noteworthy percentage of sales or traffic on your merchant's website. Super affiliates are not only experts on search engine optimization, they are also great in newsletter marketing, email marketing, reciprocal linkages, keyword optimization, link exchanges, advertising in forums, and other methods to advertise and promote their products and services. But how does a person become a super affiliate? And how can they overachieve their way to super affiliate stardom? Making your way to super affiliate stardom is not that easy, and it surely won't happen overnight. Bear in mind that you need to embrace some tactics, carry out effective online business strategies, and of course give hefty time commitment. You can't be a super affiliate without blood and sweat and without the following traits: patience, persistence, and thirst for knowledge. Matched with efficient strategy, these 3 traits provide you the formula towards super affiliate stardom. Affiliate marketing strategies are a bit difficult, but they are achievable. You just have to work hard on it. First, look for a unique and exceptional niche and focus in it. The reason why most people in the affiliate marketing business didn't turn out to be very successful is that they try to offer almost everything under the sun instead of giving all their attention in a particular niche market. If you want to become a super affiliate, try not to scatter all your efforts, concentrate on your niche and make it grow by means of promoting, advertising and selling it well. The next step you must do after you have established your affiliate storehouse is to promote it. Most affiliates resort to pay-per-click engines. But what's more advisable is to discover how to accomplish organic search results, or better yet, hire a search engine marketing company. Through this, you can be saved from losing all your profits on pay-per-click engines. Then, familiarize yourself with your product and know your audience. Remember that credibility builds trust. And you can only make information that puts up your credibility if you know the products and services your site is offering. If your target audience don't trust you, how could you expect them to purchase from your affiliate storehouse? Moreover, if you take time to learn the products and services you are recommending, it will be way too easy for you to establish a website that converts well, which will enhance your affiliate income in return. Try to promote and resell products from different merchants. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this strategy because it is just a way of protecting your business and broadening your horizons to be sure that you won't experience the so-called famine effect. Aside from that, promoting different merchants on the same site provides your site visitors a handful of destinations to choose from. This strategy will also make you aware on what your visitor want to see, and it can also help you find out how well various merchants perform against each other. As mentioned earlier in this page, a super affiliate wannabe should have this trait, thirst for knowledge. It is because this trait can help him or her stay updated and remain on top of the trends. If you are knowledgeable in internet marketing, then you know that what was adopted few months ago may not be applicable at present. So it is important to seek knowledge and make sure that you are updated on what's new about affiliate marketing daily. Keep in mind that super affiliates take time to read, learn and embrace the changes in online marketing business. And what's most important? Never, ever give up. Being engaged in affiliate marketing business is hard, that's why you must be equipped with patience and persistence. Check your statistics and find out the things that are working and those that are not. Make changes if the situation calls for. These are just few suggestions and ideas if you want to boost your affiliate income. Let me reiterate, you have to be patient, persistent, and knowledgeable. Then, follow the above-mentioned strategies and you'll surely find yourself on the road to super affiliate stardom.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.